Tonight, Ronny Walker faces the possibility of death for murdering 14-year-old Nilexia Alexander in Tampa. Just hours ago, a Hillsborough County jury convicted Walker. The runaway teen was found shot to death on a dead-end street in 2022. 10 Tampa Bay's Eric Glasser was at the Hillsborough courthouse for the verdict and reaction.
Well, the jury left here last night without reaching a verdict and then came back this morning to continue their deliberations. No one, of course, knew how long that would take, but less than 2 hours later, they reached their decision.
The defendant is guilty of
Ronny Walker, guilty of first-degree murder in the 2022 shooting death of 14-year-old Nilexia Alexander.
He's heartless. My baby was 14.
The little girl's mother, Ashley Alexander, describing her daughter as an outgoing, loving child, had this to say minutes later.
I told my daughter I would not stop until I got justice. I would fight to the end, and I did.
Nilexia's body was found on a dark, dead-end street in Tampa Heights. Prosecutors cited surveillance video, cell phone data, DNA evidence, and testimony from 2 key witnesses. But it was Nilexia herself, say prosecutors, who provided them their biggest clue.
By virtue of the fact that her phone was in the back seat of Ronny Walker's car. And so she was able to kind of leave breadcrumbs. And our police department, the Tampa Police Department, did a phenomenal job of putting all of those breadcrumbs, all of those puzzle pieces together.
Unbeknownst to the jury, Walker had previously been convicted of murdering a Tampa woman, Elaine Caldwell. Caldwell's daughter was also on hand for this verdict.
That man is a killer, and I was so happy this girl got justice for her baby, and it's also for justice for my mama, too.
The trial now enters its penalty phase. This same jury will decide whether Walker should receive life in prison or death. The judge gave jurors the day off on Wednesday. They will be back here on Thursday morning to begin the penalty phase of this trial. That is expected to last about 3 to 4 days. In Tampa, Eric Glasser, 10 Tampa Bay.
And as of April 2023, Florida law allows a judge to impose a death penalty based on a jury recommendation of at least 8 to 4 in favor of execution. Previously, that jury recommendation had to be unanimous.